work. Wait. Good comms from Gregory. Okay, using a bit of width. Coming back inside. Refs called the tag though. Important tag from Michael. Oh, the fakery. Two girls there. Oh, and he's given up, but it's got the pass away. Good recovery. What are they going to do on last? Greg with the pressure on the kick. And the balls ran over to the sideline. Pink ball, 10-meter restart. Oh, the hips there. Thought she got tagged. Back yourself. Gregory with the loudest comms. The other field heard that. Alex trying to slice through. Oh, look at this. Just at speed. X, heel dummy. Just got there. Greg just dominating the play right now, and he's kicking and he's chasing hard. He's dived on it though, which he's not allowed to do. Refs called that one. Oh, right foot.
Good tag.
Jeez. Blowing a gas tank here, both teams. Really quick start to the game. No breaks. Anna again cuts it off. Greg sweeping. That's a pretty good kick. It's play on and it's straight to the corner. Now is a bit of a breather, and we got some subs going for Spaz. Seagulls. Greg just taking his time here. Tactical. Both teams blowing hard here. Bit of hands on hips. If this isn't a grand final, I don't know what is. Greg once again 100% run. Someone needs to follow him. Another one. Yellow just containing him so far. Oh, XY. Oh, two woman overlap. First time he's said no to that. Ben with the fake kick, another one. Now it's last. Oh, he's found the buttocks of a woman. Oh, what a pass from Des. Ben puts the other one through. Well swept though. And he's coming back with interest. And he's drawn the penalty for contact. He met fire with fire there, and he drew the penalty. And he's through. Oh, what a redemption tag. Yeah, check the nails, T. Oh. Might have jarred a finger. Oh, inside option, goes out. Straightens up. Lot of chat right now from Spaz Seagulls. That's great to hear. Staying the louder team so far. Oh, draw and pass. Needed the winger there. Just couldn't see him.
Help T, help T, help T, help T. Wing.
Oh, blindside's open here. He's toying with them. Almost done his knee there. Oh, short side. Nowhere to run here. begging for the penalty, Ben. He's not getting it. He does that every game. Oh, nicely ran, but chopped. Lou sweeping to the left. Stepping back in, keeps it alive. Beautifully done. Anna just got caught. There's dudes calling something from dummy half there. He's XY. Straight into his shoulder. Dude with the kick from dummy half. It's play on. Off her legs and it's play on. Yellow ball now. Decent meters from that set though. As yellow kind of reassemble themselves, bit disorganized after defending. It's already free. They've gone sideways. Oh, watch the pass. That's 4 now. Will they go for the early kick? Who's sweeping? Alex with the sweep now. Oh, hipping through. Getting a chaser. Drawn pass. Oh, good tag. Yes, we're calling that. Nice work. Oh, late tag. Okay, it's actually a penalty for late tag. Fresh set now from yellow. Big man putting in work. Oh, Shirley again. Bit of time and space here. The windmill dummy doesn't work. Oh, and he's gone behind him. Few opportunities on that left side for yellow, but pink just holding on there. Maybe something to look out for the rest of the game on that wing. Lou, you know he's tired when he's passing it. Ran into 3 plays there and almost a broken jaw. But it's actually a yellow penalty. Interesting. Oh, hard run there. Oh, just missing a few tags. As the halftime siren goes, can they hold on to this 3-2 slim lead? And they have. Well done. Spaz Seagulls just slightly up at halftime. 3-2.